Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling notification history so Android logs alerts you clear. Open Settings, choose Notifications, then Notification History and toggle it on. This captures banners, heads-up, and shade entries after they appear, which means you can recover a cleared notification later. Once done, make sure to trigger a new notification to test. Android 11 and newer have this built in, whereas older phones require a secure alternative app. Enabling now saves future deletions automatically, so you don't lose crucial messages or app alerts. Next, access the logged alerts and use app-level options to recover details. Pull down the notification shade, tap Notification History, and scan the list for the deleted item. This shows content and timestamp. If you remember which app sent it, long press an incoming notification or Open Settings, right arrow apps, right arrow, app right arrow notifications to inspect recent events. If your Android lacks history, install a trustworthy recovery app and grant notification access. It will store future alerts. These steps let you read or finally open the recovered notification entry to go to the app and handle the action, reply, mark read, or save details. If the notification isn't in history, check the app's own inbox or logs, your SMS backup, or notification manager apps. Sometimes content never reached the system log. If you still can't find it, reboot your phone, re-enable notification history, or reinstall the recovery app and grant permissions. This resolves permission conflicts. One key tip: always test recovery immediately after enabling to confirm it's recording correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.